When I was working with IBM, I found another person who was earning twice salary as compared to mine. I worked with them, which gave me these insights and strategy, which helped me even crack Microsoft. And I found out a secret formula, a secret thing running into the industry. And that was, you can also apply the same strategy to become a world-class professional and even earn in crores. Here is a 5-step formula which you can adopt to become better in your career and become world-class in your industry. During a massive storm, when most other birds are looking for shelter, eagles use their large wings to fly above the storm. Today's disruptive marketplace is nothing less than a storm, and we can conquer this storm like eagle by being at the top, that is, be world class. Hi, my name is Vikas Jain, and I've been helping businesses and professionals to become world class in their industry. And today I'm going to share the same with you, how to become a world class professional and even earn in crores. If you have been into this industry for long, you understand how hard it is to get first paid speaking gig or first job or business lead. Even for senior professionals, getting continuous business and getting good hikes is a puzzle that they are trying to solve. Good thing about today's marketplace is that there are no rules. Worst thing about today's marketplace is that there are no rules. There are such polls about recommendations, sometimes contradictory, which confuses an aspiring professional what to do and what not to do. So in this game without any rules, can there be a light at that end of a tunnel which can guide us, which can be the guiding light for us? Yes, there is a strategy, and today I am going to share the same with you. And the strategy name is Vikas World Class Quadrant. You might be wondering, Vikas, you are good at branding. Actually, it's not me, it's my parents who kept my name 37 years ago. Vikas is a Sanskrit word which means development. Hence, this strategy is a way to develop yourself to become world-class in your industry. Let me share the background how I discovered this strategy. In 2006, I joined IBM as a software engineer. In 2010, I joined McAfee with 70% hike. When I joined McAfee, it acquired a small tech startup with the name SolidCore. Earlier, I used to think that there are these unknown brands and world famous companies, and I was working in world famous brands. But when I worked in this team of SolidCore, I realized and found the world class talent. I worked with them, which gave me these insights and strategy, which helped me even crack Microsoft. Yes, friends, in 2013, I got offer from Microsoft. But instead of joining the company, I choose to share this strategy with the world because I strongly believe that this strategy can help every deserving professional to become world class in their industry. Now, when I looked into the industry, I found out that to become world class, we have to have world class performance. And most of the time, world class performance is a byproduct of expertise. So on x-axis, we put expertise. Now, if you want to become world class, definitely you need to have world class popularity. And hence, on y-axis, we put popularity. So these 4 quadrants are expertise and popularity results into quadrant 1, which is high expertise and high popularity. These are the rock star professionals of the industry. They are the most famous names in the industry and their fee is really high. If you consider your industry or your profession, you can relate what I am talking about. Quadrant 2 are professionals with average expertise and high level of popularity. Thanks to their marketing strategy, these people are very famous. They are also earning well. But when you get a chance to work with them, you will realize that they are not having that kind of knowledge and understanding. And then comes the quadrant 3, which is average expertise or average popularity. This is how most people start their journey. But this is the worst quadrant to stay for long because without expertise and without popularity, it is hard to get good pay, and even to get a recurring business is a struggle there. And that's why I don't recommend people to stay there for long. And here comes the magic quadrant, which is quadrant 4, that is people with high level of expertise but average popularity. Wait, because you are telling us in this world of heavy marketing that I am recommending you a quadrant 4 and calling it magic quadrant with average popularity? Yes, friends, I am saying it, and with full responsibility, because I have experienced the same in my life. I'll give you a reference of speaking industry which you can relate to any other professionals. Maria Franzoni from London Speaker Bureau did a study and found out that most of the speakers who are hired during conferences are these unknown speakers. The key secret here is these speakers are known to the right people, high paying clients, not to the everyone. So when you develop your expertise, you start delivering your services to the right kind of people. Even if you are a job professional, you start getting into those kind of companies which are looking for the right talent. So you may not be knowing everyone in the industry, but these companies can reach out to you and hire you at massive packages. So now as you understand the Vikas World Class Quadrant, what is the benefit of becoming world class? Many people ask me this question, that what do we get at the end of the day? My friends, one of the critical factor for which we are working as a professional is to make our sustenance. What if we can multifold our sustenance amount by becoming world class? When I researched into the industry, I found out that if you look for the salary of an engineer and when you compared it with world class engineer, there is a massive difference. If you talk about the fee taken by any architect versus fee taken by world class architects, there is a huge difference. If you talk to lawyers, fee charged by a lawyer versus fee charged by world class lawyer is altogether different. Consider an example of CEOs. CEOs are earning in crores, but if you talk about one of the best company in the world, which is Google, Google CEO as per internet data might be earning in few thousand crores. Yes, my friends, if you choose to become world class in your industry, you can multifold your earning potential and create massive impact in the society. That's what I observed in my career too. And that's what I am recommending each one of you, that how you can also find those kind of opportunities which I leveraged in my life. So here is a 5-step formula which you can adopt to become better in your career and become world class in your industry. First one being the finding your niche and your expertise. Friends, whenever we talk about world class, it is added with another word which is your industry, your profession, or your area of expertise. In my case, I have two areas of expertise. One, initially I became a software engineer and then I became speaker. Let me share some insights with you. When I was working with IBM, I found another person who was earning twice salary as compared to mine. I was told by my manager that Vikas, you are one of the best employee in our team. And I was thinking that I'm earning the best. But I found out another person who is having a salary double than mine. So there must be something unique about him which makes him get that kind of package. And I started looking for those few points. And I found out a secret formula, a secret thing running into the industry. And that was, most of the organizations, even those quadrant 2 organizations which I've shared earlier, typically people believe that after 10 years of experience, they will become 1x professional or 2x professional. Let me simplify it for you. What do we mean by 1x professional? 1x professionals are those professionals whose salary with 10 years of experience is 10 lakh per annum. So 2x professional is somebody with a salary of 20 lakh per annum. When I was a software engineer, I found out, including myself, that majority of the software engineers are working under this category of 1x professional to 2x professional. But when I found this quadrant and started understanding the salary structure of world-class people, world-class software engineer, I found out that there are people who are earning more than 5x salary. What do we mean by 5x salary? 5x salary means these software engineers are having packages of more than 50 lakh per annum. Yes, my friends, and I'm not talking about US salary being converted to Indian salary. I'm talking about salary which these people are getting within India. These are given in INR, Indian rupees. One of my good friend who is earning an annual package of more than a crore with around 14 to 15 years of experience. Yes, friends, this is doable because when these companies offer such packages, they are looking for world-class talent. So if you truly want to become world-class in your industry, you have to find out that sort of talent, your market niche, your expertise, which can truly make you become world-class. In addition, these companies also offer their stock to these employees and keep giving more and more stocks as per their performance. And sometimes there are certain employees who are getting even better stocks than their salary. So their whole take home annually is in few crores. You have that potential, my friend. You can also do the same if you try to become world class into your industry. If you are not having that sort of potential, if you are not getting that sort of salary, if you are not getting that sort of business, because you are not trying to become world class. So you have to find your niche, you have to find your expertise and develop it so that you can become world class, and that's step one. Now the step two, which is more about the mindset. Actually, average people try to avoid the problems, and these world class professionals have this mindset of going after the problem, solving the problem. If you truly want to become world class, what you have to do? You have to move from your quadrant 2 mindset to quadrant 4 mindset. Because if you truly want to get to the quadrant 1, which is the rock star quadrant, you have to go to the quadrant 4 first, because if you stay longer in quadrant 2, the mindset which is developed is not appropriate for quadrant 1. So you have to change your mindset. You have to find different people so that you can work on your mindset. That's what I did for myself. I started meeting more and more quadrant 1 and quadrant 4 people. These people with world-class mindset, and they have a different sort of mindset. So change your circle and you will get to the level of becoming world-class. Third step, developing expertise. Once you have identified your expertise, how to develop it further? My friends, all the top professionals are known for their complex problem solving ability. Let me ask you a question. What do we mean by a world-class surgeon? Someone who do regular type of surgery or most complex surgery? Yes, world-class surgeons are known for world-class most complex surgeries. What do we mean by world-class architect? Somebody who just build regular architecture or most complex architectures? Yes, world-class architects are known for world-class architects, most complex architectures. In your profession also, there are certain complex problems. If you want to become truly world-class, you have to solve those problems. Once you start solving those type of problems, you will start on a journey of becoming world-class. Malcolm Gladwell talks about 10,000 hours rule. That means once you practice a skill for more than 10,000 hours, you become a pro, professional, and truly world-class in that. Anders Ericsson in his book Peak talks about deliberate practice. It's not just about spending number of hours, it's also more about how you are deliberately practicing those time. Hence, expertise development, which most of the people are taking casually, is not so casual in the world-class space. Fourth comes importance of mentors. Mentors are essential and integral part of becoming world-class. Let me ask you a question. When your mentor is recommending you something, are you following his or her advices? Are you reading those books? Are you working on yourself as per their advices? World-class people are having world-class mentors. Find a mentor and start following their advices. And here comes step 5, which is about becoming a different person. Yes, my friends, once you follow step 1 to step 4, you will transforming into a different type of person. These world-class professionals are having different type of personality and communication skills. If you really want to communicate to the world, one of the essential skills is having a global communication skill, which also involves speaking in English. But it's a journey that you have to do on your own. You have to keep improvising yourself to reach to the masses, to share your insight with the world, because world is waiting for your information. To take your communication skill to the next level and to cater to the global audience, you can improve your English communication skill by downloading the Josh Skill app by clicking on the link below in the comment box and start your world-class journey right now. In my experience, I have seen people who are not having world-class mindset, they don't tend to share their information with others because they think that it is essential for their life. It is essential for their sustenance. If they share it with others, what will be their USP? But people with world-class mindset, they openly share their information with others because they know they are evolving every day. They are becoming a new person every day, and they are doing open heart sharing. And when they are doing this open heart sharing, they speak on so many forums, they write for major publications in the world, and that's how they become truly world class. So if you really want to become world class, you have to follow this step one by one, and I can assure you, you can achieve the biggest dream of your life. My friends, this strategy can help you earn not just in crores, but even more than that, because there are world class professionals in this world who are earning that kind of thing and who are creating even more social impact, whatever dreams that they want to achieve by following these advices. Definitely, this is not a overnight success plan, but this is a deliberate practice of 3 to 4 years, which can yield massive results. Do you want to know the final secret to become world class? An additional point. If you really want to become world class, there are some people who think that by achieving something, I'll become world class. But that's not the case. Because being world class is a journey, not a destination. दोस्तों 2020 ने दुनिया को बदल दिया है। हमें पता चला कि हम घर से बैठे ही ग्लोबली लोगों के साथ काम कर सकते हैं और कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं। जब ये चीजें हुई तो बहुत सारी और नई अपॉर्चुनिटी बनने लगी, जैसे वर्क फ्रॉम होम, फ्रीलांसिंग। आजकल तो देखा जाए किसी भी जॉब के लिए रिमोट वर्किंग यानी कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट बन गया है, वो स्किल जो पर्सन को आनी चाहिए। अब जब आप ग्लोबल टीम में काम कर रहे होते हैं तो आपको क्या चीज़ करनी होती है? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रोल हो जाता है आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल का। वो आपके लिए उतना ही बड़ा रोल प्ले करती है जितनी कि आपकी जॉब स्किल, हार्ड स्किल। तो अब हम इन ग्लोबल लोगों के साथ बात कैसे करें? इन ग्लोबल लोगों के साथ बात करने के लिए आपको ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज का सहारा लेना पड़ेगा। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आपने सही पहचाना, वो ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज है इंग्लिश। तो जैसे जैसे आप अपनी इंग्लिश को इंप्रूव करते चले जाते हैं, वैसे ही आपके जॉब प्रोस्पेक्ट और बढ़ते चले जाएंगे। तो आपको करना क्या है? आपको जो स्किल ऐप को यूज़ करना है जिसके द्वारा आप अपने जैसे लोगों के साथ बात कर पाएंगे और एक्सपर्ट्स के थ्रू इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस को और बढ़ा पाएंगे। और जब आप अपनी ग्लोबल अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को ओपन करना चाहते हैं तो सिर्फ एक स्टेप आपको लेना है। नीचे कमेंट में दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक कीजिए एंड इंस्टॉल द ऐप राइट नाउ।